Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Kazakhstan, and this is a very decorated flag, the new version. And let's draw the decoration on the left side. Okay, little bit complicated, but we're just trying to give it a graphical presentations which is closest to the combinations of the drawings. All right. All right, there's a bird flying here, which is a yellow bird, and you can see the graphical presentations here, and the wings which is spread out to the side. And another wings on this side, you can see. All right, and a circle here. All right, let's fill up the whole circle here. And the other parts is going to be light blue color, so let's make the whole flag light blue color. So we are filling up the whole area with the sky blue color. Okay, it's a nice combinations of the flags, but this is not fully clear, so let's use some graphical outlines to make the drawings visually clear. Alright, so all the details is little closer to the whole presentations. This is the flag of Kazakhstan with a light blue color and this type of decoration. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. And you can also subscribe the channel if you want to learn drawings in other categories. Browse through the playlist and you can have lots of choices. Thank you so much. Have a good day.